What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers? How's everyone doing? I hope your week is going well. Happy Tuesday. Trappy with me. Boss Dawn 40. We just finished washing Oren, so this video will be very detailed. We are going to explain to you. We are going to do a review on Oren and let you know exactly what it has and what's basically being given away. What consists of Oren? What are all the goodies? What are all the pluses? So we're about to slap the front banner on, and then from there we'll start the review. I'm thinking about putting the car on a lift, or maybe just putting it right under the AK-47. So I'll figure that out, but I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for staying 10 toes down. Thank you for subscribing. Get us to 20,000 subscribers, and we are going to give that manifold away. But yeah, let's rock. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, so what are we giving away? What exactly is the prize? This is the giveaway car. It's a 1997 Acura Integra GSR. Her name is Oren. You guys obviously kept up with the channel and seen how I put it together. I got it at about 40% done, and then I did my fine tweaking and I did my own motor, and this is the point that we're at right now. So once again, 1997 Acura GSR, clean title, Type R interior. We'll get into all the details, we'll get into the motor, we'll get into the rims and all that, but let's start this review. Okay, so championship white, Milano red Type R wheels. Well, they're not actually Milano red. They're mate flat red. They're the same rims that I used on my AK-47. Well, the same color. Slotted rotors, brand new set of pads, neochrome with ARPs. It comes with the wheel lock. You got your JDM side markers, JDM front, all original with the HIDs. I actually painted fresh the grille, the bumper, the side skirts, and I lost the lip. So I'll leave it up to the winner to get their own lip. Moving on to the hood. It's a carbon fiber Sibon hood. The condition of it, probably like 8 out of 10. It had a little color distinction, but they sand and cleared it. I'm actually going to move this hood over a little bit, so that's that part. So the car, I would say, out of a rating of 10, is an 8.5 out of 10. The paint's great. I actually know the person who originally owned it. It used to be, ironically, an H2B. And they stripped this car down to the bare metal. And I got it buffed. I got it sanded. What did yeah, he sand and polished the car up, my boy Shane. We put the Keep Gunning banner on it, obviously. What else is there to talk about? Type R wing. Let's head over to the back. Type R wing, Type R taillights, Type R back bumper, and that's fairly it for the outside. The only thing I would say that would keep this car from being a 10 would be these dents in the quarter panel. But I figure whoever knows someone that does dentless paint removal can probably get that out. But other than that, the car is flawless. The body line is straight. It's got the mud flaps on it. I don't know if I'm missing anything. Maybe you guys will catch it in the video. But that's fairly it for the outside. Let's move on to the interior. So the interior is fairly clean. I'm gonna rate the interior probably another 8.5 out of 10. There is a little sun burning on the top of the back seats, but other than that, the interior is pretty dope. Matching VIN numbers on the doors, the trunk, and that's about it because the JDM front obviously won't match these VIN numbers. So Type R interior, Type R carpet. I paid almost 300 bucks for this carpet alone because the last one was in awful condition. I got actually I paid $350 with the Type R floor mats. So the carpet is flawless. It's awesome. The front seats, no holes, no cigarette burns. A little fading here, but it's fine. That's the front seats, and then you got the Type R back seats with the Type R back floor mats. The panels are in great condition. We also have the detachable Sparkle suede steering wheel. I don't know exactly what the name of this style is, but I know it looks awesome. So detachable with the NRG Sparkle steering wheel. It's got the it's got the JDM Type R cluster inside. All the Type R goodies in the middle. Clarion CD player. Doesn't really have a port for you to put a USB. Pro billet shifter from K-Tuned. OEM cables, obviously, I love those. And that's pretty much it for the back. For the interior, it's got 4 Pioneer speakers in it. There's an amplifier in the trunk. It's got the cargo cover. I'll open up the trunk for you guys in a second. But all the DC2 badges all match up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it also for the interior, but I love it. Just want to give you guys a quick glance at the interior back here. Great condition. Seats are in great condition in the front. The backs have that sunburn. It ain't too bad, but it's pretty clean. Okay, so finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. In this video, I have to tell you how much horsepower it is, because I don't believe we're going to get to 20,000 subscribers by the raffle that's on Friday for this car. So let's talk about what's under the hood. It's a TSX block with CSS sleeves in it, or block guard, whatever you want to call it. It has an RSX Type S head with a full SuperTech valve train. Has a Drag Cartel Stage 4, 12.5 to 1 compression, Wiseco, Manley rods. That's the long block. It has a 4-piston ported oil pump. All the components on the side, the guides, the seals, the tensioners, all brand new from Honda. What else we have? Fueling. We have a composite Skunk 2 rail, 1000cc South Bay injectors with adapters. Nothing is cut on the harness. Skunk 2 ultra manifold with a 1-liter spacer. K-tuned 80mm throttle body with IAC. All the sensors are functional. Everything is fine. We're running some cold air into it from a 4-inch velocity stack. It's got the K-tuned with hose radiator, but I swapped out the fan to a SPOW, which has a higher CFM rate, which is exactly what this car needs. Hasport race insert mounts. It's got all the TSM goodies as far as the titanium bolts. We have them on the intake and the exhaust. So Carcept power steering and AC removal kit. TSM traction bar. So that is the long block. Are we missing anything else? ASP header. It's about a $1,200 header with a megaphone, all V-band. It has a 3-inch K-tuned exhaust system. Like I said again, the headlights are original from Honda, and it has the HIDs already inside of it. It came with the it's the version with the HIDs. We have for transmission. We have a Z3 transmission. We have a VSS converter kit from K-Tune that converts it, because remember, guys, the Z3 transmission doesn't come with a speed sensor. Any other goodies in here that I'm missing? Shaved bay. We have an S2000 Clutchmaster pump with the steel braided line, with the TSM spacer, Chase bays, brake booster, brake tuck, obviously, K-Tune regulator with all the lines. The clutch, real important. It's an Action Ironman kit with an aluminum flywheel. This car grips harder than Scarlet, absolutely. Is it an aggressive clutch? Yes, it is. Do I suggest you change it? No, because this car can take a lot of nitrous if you would like to add it. It's on E85, and the car makes 301 horsepower on E85, naturally aspirated, and it feels amazing. by the time you guys see us go drive back home out of here, we're going to show you a little bit of what the car got. As far as the bolt-on stuff, like the dress-up things, it has just a bunch of TSM titanium bolt kit wherever I can put them and make them look nice. It's an original Type R DC2 front also, so it's got the badge on there. What else are we missing here? That's pretty much it for the engine bay. Are we missing anything in there? So inside the trunk is just basic. You could see the amplifier in there. It has dynomatting throughout the whole car because I believe it had like a music system on there. I cleaned all these jams up as much as I could. It came out really good. Look how good this paint held inside. You know what I mean? It really held the clear. They did a good job painting this car. I'll give them that. How about we start the car so you could hear the exhaust, right? Decided to open everything up, and we got to get out of this area. When we turned on the car, all the neighbors started to look outside. So basically, this is a car that I built for one of my followers, one of my gunners, to get a head start on becoming successful in the racing world. So we did it with Scarlett, and Gabi's having an amazing time with it. It actually changed his whole family's life by him just winning a 2000 Honda Civic. So these raffles and these giveaways that I do are life-changing things that I would like to incorporate into my gunner movement, into my followers, into my subscribers. So this is Oren in all its glory, and let's go for a ride. Okay, so 301 horsepower, 208 pounds of torque. I forgot to mention some of the suspension components. I apologize. It's got True Heart spherical front lower control arms. It's got spherical lower back control arms. It has TN basic coilovers. It's got, what else? It's got, you know, all the camber kits, all the True Heart. I think there's some buddy clubs in the back. The first time with the K-Sports, I guess the two front ones were blown. It was an awful ride. These TNs are so underrated, and I can't believe it. So let's take this car for a ride. So on the highway now, we're about to get on. I'll step on it a little bit, and you can just see the acceleration. I won't even use first because it's just a dead spin. So we're in second now. Try a little launch here too. So yeah, guys, that's fairly it, man. I hope I did a good job doing a review. I know you guys are real, you know, real detailed, so you'll probably catch stuff that I missed. But yeah, someone's life is gonna change Friday. So this Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hold on, let me get a good lighting here. So this Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on keepgunning.com, you're going to be able to purchase the box. And the box is going to contain a hat, a lanyard, and a sticker, and a raffle ticket. Tomorrow's video will detail exactly how the raffle works. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with so much information in one video. So this was the review. I hope you guys like the car. I hope you guys appreciate all the time that I put in it. I hope you guys got some gems out of it too. So, yeah. I love you guys, man. Thank you for always supporting me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep gunning.